Hi guys, Cameron here from Cameron's Transport Channel. Welcome to another video. Today we are on the metro placement 900 towards Monkseaton, and we've got going with this 3965, which is a rather bouncy Gemini. It's very bouncy, this one. It's a private reg, this one. I've seen this. This is Riverside run. This one hardly ever comes out to play. Been a few good, but there's always there's Gemini. So pure blood sits where Geminis are out. There is a 308 Gemini, which is new, I believe, another sub cool. It's very odd to see these Gemini be on the top deck of a bus when you're going on a route that double deckers don't go on. Like, yeah, going to a feast stop right here, but they operate solos coming along here. It's quite unique, if you get what I mean. And the fact that the depot this bus belongs to doesn't even operate anything here except for met reps. That's abbreviation on metro replacement, by the way. Met rep. I had 3963 yesterday, but I didn't record it. I quite like 3963, it sounds like a solar. It's actually quite a nice one as well. I was reluctant to get on this in case the one after was Nazi circle, but the one after was a coaster, so I'll just get this one. Well, by the one after I meant the one to McWall's End. Which I would have only went to colour coat. This is a rather bouncy bus, and here is our final terminus, Monkseaton. True. Goes out, not see if get off, choice the bus. This one goes out in 5 minutes, so we're gonna wait here for the next one. This one goes out towards the end in 5 minutes, so I'll wait 20. So anyway guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye. 547 CPT, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.